So up first, we're going to go visit Huntsman. Founded in 1849, they've been making incredible clothing for 150 years. Their clothing is instantly recognizable and was born out of the equestrian tradition. So let's go inside and speak with head cutter Dario Carnera and have him walk us through the iconic Huntsman cut. I'm Kirby Allison, and I love helping the well-dressed acquire and care for their wardrobes. Join me as we explore the world of quality, craftsmanship, and tradition. Dario.
Hi Kirby, how are you?
Great to see you.
Nice to see you, you well.
Yeah, so thanks for having me.
No problem at all, nice to see you, welcome.
Pleasure. I'm here with Dario Carnera, the co-head cutter here at Huntsman. And Dario, one of the things that I'm really interested in are the differences amongst the firms here on Savile Row as exhibited by their house style. Yeah. So you've prepared a classic Huntsman jacket for us. And so would you mind just kind of walking us through some of these elements that really make Huntsman Huntsman?
Yeah, of course. Well, our house style is pretty instantly recognisable. It's loosely based, or as a nod to our origins, and Henry Huntsman's a tribute to Henry Huntsman. He started business as a breeches maker, so hence went into equestrian and sporting wear. So the house style is loosely based on a hacking jacket in the style of him. So it's cut close to the chest. It's what's technically called a crooked coat. So it's cut close to the chest, fairly close shoulder, high gorge, single button front with a quite shaped opening. Generally a little longer than a standard coat. And we quite often add the slanted pockets as another nod to a hacking jacket. So there are the basic differences.
Yeah. And where would the darts be? Because I know there's quite a bit of difference between the firms in terms of how they construct the paneling.
Yeah, well it's all cut, we cut probably more darts into the coat because we cut it close to the chest and through the waist.
Okay.
And it's got a little more skirt than you would find elsewhere on the row. Again, as a nod to a hacking jacket. And it's darted in a little more closely to the body, more of a fitted coat generally.
Okay. And is there a side panel, or is it cut as one?
Yeah, generally cut with a side body. So you'll see, we try not, because especially if you have a check, as we do often on the tweeds, we try not to have a dart through the front.
Okay.
So the uninterrupted check as much as we can, and there's a panel through the side, which is mostly covered by the sleeve. So.
Okay.
So we generally cut quite a long vent. 2 vents generally on a lounge suit. Often on sporting wear you'd have a single vent, a centre vent, as you would on a hacking jacket for riding. But just for a little more silhouette and flare at the bottom, we put 2 vents in there, and they're always cut quite long, almost into the waist.
Okay. And what does that allow for, just the higher vent?
Just more elegance, more practicality for sitting, etc. And it just, if you sit and then get up again, you probably have less wrinkling. So, and it just gives us a nice flowing silhouette.
Yeah. I mean, this jacket, you can really see the shape.
Yeah.
You know, it's been worked into the back
panel. That's essentially what we want to do,
Yeah. And of course, Huntsman, you know, tweed is very much a part of the house history.
Yeah, oh yeah, very much so. We've sort of developed our own tweeds for many years now, working closely with the mills up in Scotland. So, and we do, every season or two, we do a range of 4 or 5 different tweeds. And also we now offer the opportunity for customers to develop their own tweed with us. So
that's right.
They can do that, and we've now got even a house loom in there.
Really?
We can do sampling on, So.
Oh, that's incredible. So a customer could come here, and in the matter of a day or two, you guys could actually weave up a full sample length.
We could get a sample. It's better than the sort of the CAD drawings that come through, which are not always truly representative of what someone's looking for and what the final product will be. So we can now do them an actual sample in fabric of what they've developed with us.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Dario, thank you so much.
Great to see you, Kirby.
It's fascinating, and
I'll see you again very soon.
Appreciate all of your beautiful work. And we're
always
on next
welcome.
to Chilburn Morgan.
Give me my regards.
Thank you.
Thank you.